Goochie, and today I'm going to show you how to make a strawberry smash. Now to make this drink you will need a couple of tools. You will need a shaker of some sort. I'm just using a protein shaker, but you could use a jar or you could use an actual cocktail shaker if you have one at home. I'm not particularly fussy, I'm just using my protein shaker. You'll also need something to squash the strawberries. You could use the end of a rolling pin or you could use a muddle stick. I recently upgraded and I did buy myself a muddle stick. I picked this up for about $9 or so. Alright, in terms of actual ingredients for this drink, you will need triple sec, you will need strawberry liqueur, you'll need some vodka, you'll need some maple syrup, you'll need some fresh strawberries, and you'll need some soda water to top up. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do to make this drink is we're just going to muddle some strawberries. Alright, so I'm going to cut these up and just chuck these into the glass. Next, I'm going to add my booze. So first up, I'm going to add my vodka. I picked this vodka up from Muddle Distillery. It's pink Aurora vodka, and if you can see, it's got these beautiful glitter throughout it. So it's really quite pretty. I'm going to add 1 shot of vodka, half a shot of strawberry liqueur, half a shot of triple sec, or you could use Contro if you've got that at home. This is made with oranges. And I'm just going to add a little bit of maple syrup, just a dash, just to sweeten it a bit. I'm going to add my ice. And then I'm going to shake. Okay, that's well shaken. Next we're going to get our serving glass. So I've just got a decent sized serving glass here. And I'm just going to pour all the contents into my glass. Oops. I'm just going to top that up with some soda water. Give that a bit of a mix through. And then I'm just going to do a simple garnish. So I'm going to pop that through, pop this through, and I'll pop that through. And I'll just rest that on top like that, and voila, we are done. This is a strawberry smash. That's really refreshing. I mean, the fresh strawberries in this just taste amazing. This is light, fresh, full of strawberry goodness. It's the only way I can describe it. Honestly, give it a crack. You'll be pleasantly surprised. This is, I'll admit, it's a gazillion times better than the aviatrix that I made in one of my very first episodes. That was horrendous. It basically tasted like ethanol and I wanted to pour it down the drain. This is gorgeous. Alright guys, well that brings me to the end of my episode today. So if you want to see me, Goochie, make more cocktails, please make sure you give me a thumbs up and you subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you next time. Ciao!